Assalamu alaikum. Let's hack Chrome Dynogam. Now click mouse right side and click inspect, and here click console. Here we can write JavaScript code. Write runner object that control the game dot instance the active instance that running in the browser dot game over. Game over a function when dinosaur crash with any obstacle. Game over function call, then game will be stopped. Now we want to pass on game over function empty arrow function. So if crash dinosaurs, they cannot understand and game will be running. Okay, now see the result is it's working.